lecture, my talk on is bhakti so easy? Rita Biswal says, real bhakti comes only when the mind is pure. How to purify mind in this complex environment? What do you mean by complex environment? She says, people one lives with have different temperaments. They cause irritation and anger. Forbearance does not work. So this is a very important problem of adjustment. Can you listen to me? बीच बीच में आप बोलते जाना.
Yes, yes, Swamiji.
जी महाराज.
It is a important question. It is a universal question with everyone.
Yes.
The problem of adjustment. One lives with people peacefully. So I had experience very long time ago when I was a young student and going to the ashram. A young man was there and commenting. I complained. So he said, this is his temperament. You must adjust. So that is very important. Then after that, I lived with him for many years. Realize other persons are also adjusting. People have different temperaments. People might complain about you also. Just as we complain that he is behaving like this, he is behaving like this. People might complain about you also. So I was a very irritant and angry person. And when I used to become angry, that anger will remain for 2-3 days. Then I realized it, gradually reduced it. Then I will become angry. The whole day I will remain angry. Then gradually it reduced. A few hours I will remain angry. Then anger will remain for 1 hour. Then anger will come and then will go after some time. And after that, when anger will coming, I will come to know that anger is coming. See, what is important is what? Adjustment without getting irritation and anger. If you get angry, you have lost the battle. That is important. Very fond of the story. 2 enemies were fighting, 2 kings, and the last final battle was there. And one person was about to kill the other person, but the other person, he was lying on the floor, he spat on his enemy. So that enemy became angry. So he will give the blow heavily? No. He said, get up. I am defeated. I have fought with you for 15 years. I have never become angry. Today I have become angry. So when you get anger and irritation, know for certain that you have been defeated. So this is a very important thing you must remember. Forbearance, ahimsa, my article is there. You must read. I have got the article in English. Ahimsa article is there. In Hindi also, ahimsa parmo dharma is there. If anyone wants, I will send it the article to you. Then there is another description of Socrates. Socrates, famous Greek saint. So his wife used to fight. His wife was very irritating. She will shout at him, and then one day she just shouted at him, and then she just took a lot of dirty water and put on his head. Socrates remains quiet. And when his friends and disciples complained, he said, you see, when the clouds are there, when the clouds roar, it will rain also. So he was that type of person. So what is important is that we have to change ourselves, remember. Try to control your anger. Get adjusted to everything, but don't get angry. This is very important. And I can tell you that it can be done. And even at this age, it can be done. I know, as I told you, I used to become very angry. Later on, I was able to control my anger. Is your question over?
Yes, Swamiji. But
Okay.
one sub-question about adjustment. One person cannot go on adjusting all the time to everybody. So what does one do in that case?
Well, then you have to give up and go to Himalayas or into forest.
Tiksha.
Okay. I will give you another thing. A practical example I will tell you.
Yes, sir.
The early morning, have a good meditation. Before coming out of your room, you must have a deep, good meditation. In meditation, meditate on a holy personality. Patanjali Yoga Sutra has said, Vitaraga Vishayam Vachittam. Meditate on Buddha, meditate on Mahavir, meditate on Swami Vivekananda, meditate on Sri Ram Krishna, meditate on Holy Mother, whatever you like, meditate nicely, deeply. And not only this, try to become one with their chitta, one with the thought. Consider that you are Holy Mother, consider that you are Buddha, how peaceful you are. So this is very important. Every day in the morning, before you come out, have a deep, good meditation. And then I will tell you another example. Satsvarupananji started the ashram, and a young man was there who is absolutely uncultured, and he will make a lot of mistakes. So one day he became angry and he scolded him. That day he fasted. Satsvarupananji himself fasted because he became angry. So remember, people will not change. You are telling repeatedly that people are there. People will not change. You will have to change. Never think that people will change. And remember, it is also possible that if you ask the other people, they may have a lot of complaints against you. So this is a thing everywhere we are living. I am also living in an ashram. I am living with people and I am keeping quiet. I am seeing this person is doing this. But they might also be seeing that this Brahmeshananda behaves in a very peculiar way. Remember?
Yes.
So this is a very important point. Try to do a deep, good meditation in the morning. Don't get angry or don't lose your temper. Don't become irritated yourself. That is very important. Because no one will change. They are not sadhakas. You are a sadhak. You are a spiritual aspirant. They are not spiritual aspirants. You have to correct yourself. Okay?